Hello guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I wanted to replace the floor mats for these Yitamotor floor mats for any 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. The only one that they're not gonna fit on is the hybrids. But we wanna replace them because the ones that I have they don't look too good. Let me show you. On my 2021 Toyota RAV4, I have this WeatherTech. It came with the truck on the weather package, but this material is really hard. If you can see right here, it started losing its shape. It's not covered like it used to right here, so all the door is going inside on both sides, and that's why I went with Yitamotor, because the material is more flexible. They're gonna last a lot longer and they're not gonna get scratches that easily like this WeatherTech. This plastic is really hard and scratch really easy. Once you clean them, you can see all the scratches in the plastic, and especially because of that, every time that we go in and out, the dirt is just gonna go inside. Same thing for the passenger side. Start losing its shape right here. The ones on the rear, they look okay. So let's do a little unboxing, then probably gonna have to vacuum a little bit and then do the installation. This is the new floor mat. This is the driver. Passenger. And the back seat. The reason why I contact Yitamotor is because the material on this one is gonna be more flexible. Even if it's too cold or too hot, it's not gonna lose their form. They're not gonna smell. They're not gonna be toxic. And the most important thing, they're not gonna lose their shape. You can see all the stuff right here on the edge and over there. So yes, I do have to do some vacuum, get everything clean, and put the new ones on. If you can see right here, this one is pretty much the same as the WeatherTech. Covers all the way up. On that side is not bad too. And with the design, everything's gonna stay right here. Water, dirt, mud. And for the back, it's really tall too, so nothing is gonna go under the seat. This is the passenger side. Forms really well all the way around. Probably in here is a little gap. We'll see if it goes down with time. But there you have it right there. That's the passenger. Forms really well all the way around. Covers that area in the middle and on the other side. The sign is pretty cool. They look really good. But I'm not gonna finish this episode just yet. We're gonna put them to the test. We're gonna use it for a few days, and then let's see how they look in, I will say, a couple of days. Floor mat is back in its place. These floor mats, they're gonna be waterproof, wear resistant, and stain resistant. So also when you click the link in the description, you're gonna see the cargo mat in case that you need to protect the cargo area. They're gonna have that one as well. So I'll leave you with that, guys. A link is gonna be in the description for this floor mat. Also the cargo mat is gonna be there. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.